Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to crop an image in Microsoft Word. So first, make sure to open your Microsoft Word. And there, this is how it looks like. Now since we are going to crop an image in Microsoft Word, let's try to insert first a sample photo. Right here and there. Now, for us to crop this photo, you need to select the photo first. So once you'll double click the photo, you'll be routed under picture format. If you'll check on the upper screen, it has several options for the picture. Now, since we are going to crop the picture, check on the right side of your screen, there is an option for the crop. So just simply click the crop, and there you'll see an option on your photo to crop the photo. So just simply change the size. What's your preferred size? So let's try to change it this small. And then right after that one, once you're done changing the size of your photo, just click again the crop, and there, the photo is already cropped. And that's how you crop a photo in Microsoft Word. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.